Hi guys, Jason Young here with Young Marketing Inc. and I want to welcome you today to my review of RefreshEn. Now, RefreshEn is a brand new course that's being released by Jason Fulton and Mosh Barry. This course is going to be released on March 11th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, this is actually a brand new, fresh course on something that I'm pretty sure most people aren't actually teaching, and it's a very cool course. But before I get into the details of that, I also want to let you know some of the things that you are going to expect when watching this review. Of course, we're going to be going over the members area, and also we'll be going over the bonuses and the sales page. But speaking of bonuses, let me just go ahead and tell you some of the bonuses that you'll be getting if you go ahead and purchase through my link. So let's take a look at the bonus packages. Now, the first bonus is my Pinterest automation training. Now, this training is going to show you how to pretty much cut your work in half by automating one of the most important tasks that you need to do when doing Pinterest marketing. Now, I'm not going to say exactly what that is because, to be honest, that would pretty much give away the course. However, all I can say is that with this training here, it will pretty much remove 50% of the work that you need to do and help you to make this process a lot easier. All right, now on to my second bonus. I'm actually going to show you how to rank your boards and your pins. Now, this is very important, and if you know anything about Pinterest, Pinterest is about pictures, so it's kind of hard for you to kind of figure out how or to conceptualize or to like figure it out in your head that you're ranking pictures. At least it was for me. I'm not sure. But there is a way for you to actually rank your boards and your pins so you can actually get a lot more traffic. Now, this was mentioned briefly in the training. However, I was able to find some additional information and I was able to whip a quick little training up for you that should give you a lot of benefit with this course. Now, for bonus number 3, this is the top 27 Pinterest niches. Niches. I always say that word wrong. So this is going to be a simple list of the top 27 niches in Pinterest that will allow you to make the most money. So ideally, it would be great when you're doing Pinterest to find a niche that is something that you're passionate about or interested in. However, if you're just one of those persons who are looking straight for profitability, this list is for you, and you can pretty much get the most traffic and the most opportunity for profits using the top niches in this list. Now, for custom bonus number 4, we have an auto blogger plugin that is going to be excellent and crucial in getting content to your site. Now, using this particular plugin, it will allow you to get images and content to your site, which is probably one of the hardest things, even though they make it pretty easy in the training for you to do. Now, using this particular plugin, you'll be able to add content pretty much effortlessly to your site, and also it will help you to get content to share on your Pinterest site or your Pinterest boards as well. All right, auto social traffic plugin. Now this one is here to give you additional traffic on your site. Now, while Pinterest traffic is going to be the overwhelmingly most or the highest amount of traffic that you'll be able to get, this particular plugin is going to be able to get you additional traffic on top of that based on the whole auto sharing social aspect of it. So this is a plugin that is going to be very helpful in giving you that additional traffic that will only help to make you more profitable. All right, viral traffic plugin. This is another plugin that will work in in tandem with the one above here, the auto social one. This pretty much serves the same purpose as the one mentioned above. Now, this one is one of the most practical, but I think important ones. The WP Media to S3 plugin, what it does is that it takes images that are saved on your site and automatically saves them to Amazon S3. Now, for saving stuff to Amazon S3, it's actually free. And if you have like a Prime account, you can actually get more storage. So if, for example, now one of the main reasons why this is important is because if you have a lot of content or images per se, and depending on the size and the amount that you're going to be putting on your site, which is a major part of this course, your site, your WordPress blog can actually slow down. Now, there are plugins, yes, that you'll be able to add in that will help to speed it up a bit. But what this will actually do is to host your images to Amazon S3, and it will help to keep your site running fast when you are when people visit it. Because if your site slowly begins to bog down and slow down and the images don't load, it pretty much defeats the whole purpose of them visiting in the first place. And if they're not seeing the image that they visited the website for, there's a huge chance that will affect your profitability. So that's it for my bonus packages. All of these bonuses will be available as long as there is time showing on this timer here. Clicking any one of these green buttons will actually bring you to the sales page, and once you purchase it, you'll be able to gain access to it in the purchase history in your Warrior Plus account. So all of these bonuses, I worked really hard on these. These should give you a chance to make the whole process easier and help hopefully give you the best experience with the RefreshEn training and make you some money as well. All right, so since we were talking about the sales page, let's go ahead and head over to the sales page. What if making $500 a month in passive income was as simple as clicking refresh on your browser? Discover how to create unlimited passive income streams with free traffic using a brand new 100% newbie friendly method. So as of right now, I haven't seen anybody doing this per se. So this is a really cool. I may be wrong, but the method so far, as I'm concerned, is 100% brand new. And based on what I see here, they are actually making $500 a month with certain websites. But the thing is, the way that it's so easy to set and forget these sites, you can actually have a bunch of them making $500 a month for you, and that would be really that would make this claim 100% true. All right, so this isn't the actual sales video. It's not there yet because I'm actually viewing it before the launch. Now, let's look at some other bullet points here. Brand new method, has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. No tech skills required. 100% newbie friendly. Set up in 45 minutes or less. If you've never set up WordPress before, this won't be the case, but I actually believe this is doable. Make money while you sleep. The method uses free traffic, which is true. 0 to 1,893 case study included. That case study is in there as well, and that's pretty cool as well. And you can click refresh and scale the income as much as you want. So yeah, pretty much when you're clicking refresh, that's when you're basically adding content. But not to give too much away, here are some earnings. As you can see here, $631, 733. This is the amount of traffic they're getting to the site. Almost 200,000 views in which what I would assume is a month. There's a lot of other cool information here. but I'll let you go through it. All you'd have to do is once you click on the link, whether you're either visiting this or whether you're either watching this on the website or on YouTube or via email, um, all you'd have to do is just click one of these green buttons and you'll be brought to the sales page where you'll be able to read all this information. But there's a lot of cool information here. There are screenshots to show that this method actually works, which is a good thing. And also, there's a lot of important information about how you can make $500 per month. So just click the green button here and any one of the green buttons actually, and you'll be brought to the sales page to check it out. Now let's go on to the real meat of the matter. Did I say that right? The members area. Now the members area is pretty nice and clean, and there is a lot of videos here. So it's mainly done through videos. You do get a checklist which you can actually get here and download. Right as you get the welcome video, you have the option to join Jason and Mosh's Facebook groups / coaching groups, and here you have the course overview where he pretty much gives you information on it's basically an overview of the whole process. Now here he goes in depth talking about the steps specifically that you need to do. And then here is the case study. Now this is a case study for a client's site that he did, so a lot of the information is blurred out, but he does show you proof of the traffic that he's been receiving, as you can see here from the Google screenshots. Now here is where we start to begin to go into the real process of it, from locating the winners and leaders. Now, not going to say what this is exactly, but you may be able to figure it out. Here is where we go through the plan of organizing everything. And this is where you build your biz, which is basically a lot of content around building your site. So building your site and building a niche site in 4 minutes flat, which is basically a WordPress blog with a theme, which all can be done really quick right now. The thing is, the thing I didn't like about this is that he didn't say whether it was HostGator or whatever. So it would have been good to, kind of point it out so people who have HostGator at least could have benefited from the training there. But in most cases, the training or installing WordPress, I should say, excuse me, is pretty much the same. Then he talks about building content, and then he talks about building pins, and basically this is pretty much your Pinterest account. Now this video is the main,
now guys, let's get
the main meat and potatoes of everything. So this is where he goes in depth in how to get stuff done. And then this is the summary, and that's pretty much it. So that's it from RefreshEn. I hope I didn't show too much there.
Hi there, Jason.
But that's pretty much the entire training here. You do get access to the upgrades here if you've missed them. So you'll be able to, buy them again if you feel like you wanted some more time to make up your mind on OTOs. Now, since we're talking about OTOs, let's go ahead and talk about the pricing for RefreshEn on the bonus page. So where are we? All right, so RefreshEn is actually going to go for $12.94. I actually don't have the price here, but I'll update this after the video. So it's going to be $12.94 for the front end. Now OTO 1 is done for you, which is $37 for the main price and $17 for the downsell. I am not sure if they actually remove things from the downsell, so it's important that if you're interested in this, that you check this out. Before I continue, it's important for me to also mention that OTOs are optional. With everything that is shown in the course that I just went through in the members area, you are able to do this without any of these OTOs. I must stress that these are 100% optional and they are not needed. These are only here to actually make things easier and to help you to make more money than more money faster than if you were to do it just using the base training. Now, OTO 2 is the advanced refreshing tactics. This is $47. The downsell is $27. Now, these are some advanced tactics about using this particular method. Now, if you want to go hardcore into refreshing, I would probably suggest getting this. The potential for this type of traffic is really huge. As you can see, there was one screenshot where their site got 200,000 clicks in a month. Oops, sorry about that. There's the neighbor's dog there. Let me see if I can get through this before he ruins the entire review. Anyway, so we have OTO 3, which is software. Not sure what the software is, but the price is going to be $47 and the downsell is going to be $27. Now, this gives you software that can drive unlimited amount of traffic to their passive money engines, which is the niche sites basically with a few mouse clicks. And then you have license rights, which is $97 and $47 for the downsell. Now, this will allow you to keep 100% of the profit if you decide to go with this. All right, so if I were buying this course, which is a really good course, and I'm actually considering it, I would definitely go with OTO 1 and OTO 2, because in doing research for the bonuses that I created, I actually found out that there are people making a killing being a consultant for improving people's Pinterest accounts. People are getting $1,000 to $1,300 or $1,500, I should say, for just working on Pinterest accounts. And with the information here, you can actually do this. And with the advanced refreshing tactics, what I would probably do is that I would probably build a board for myself, make it profitable, and then use this to pitch to clients as proof that I'm worth $1,000 a month. This is why I would probably get this the most, because I think that you'll make a huge amount of money if you're 100% versed and you know some really cool advanced tactics to scale your income. All right, so that's it from me with this review. RefreshEn was a really, pardon the pun, refreshing course. Some really good training by Mosh and a real solid product that I think everybody would be happy with. If you're interested in getting RefreshEn, you can, if you're watching this on YouTube, just go ahead and click the link in the description. It will be the first one. You'll be brought to this page here, and all you have to do is click here for access to the sales page. After you go ahead and purchase it, you will be able to get access to the bonuses that in the purchase history. So that's it from me with my RefreshEn review. Hope that you found this information helpful, and thank you so much for watching. If you've gotten this far, please subscribe, click a like, leave a comment. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer any one of those. My name is Jason Young. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.